Students, in our earlier video, we discussed about sheet metal, its applications, types of sheets used in our sheet metal shop, and our first four operations while working in our sheet metal shop. These are measuring and marking, layouting, hand cutting and shearing, and nibbling. Now we come to our fifth operation, that is hand forming. Now, in hand forming, the term metal forming, hand forming stands for shaping and bending of sheet metal in three dimensions in order to give the desired shape and size of the final product. After hand forming, we move to the next step, that is edge forming. The edges of sheet, the edges of sheet metal product are formed to ensure safety of hands while handling these products and to provide stiffness of the product. This is edge forming. Edge forming is important to ensure the safety of our hands because due to sharp edges of sheet, it is harmful for our hands. Now, next we move to our next step, that is bending. Sheet metal is required to. Now, our next step or seventh step is bending. Sheet metal is required to be bent in different angles to shape it in the form of required form. This is bending is done. Here is bending is done on 90-degree angle. The bending operation involves stretching of metal out on the outer surface and compressing it on the inner surface along the neutral line, which remains unchanged in length. Sheet metal can be bent by hammering over a base by hand or by means of bending or rolling machines. Now, our final operation is rifting. Rifting is final operation. It is the permanent mechanical fastening. Rivet consists of cylindrical shaft with head on one end and opposite of the head is called tail. On installation, rivet is placed in the punched or drilled hole and the tail is upset so that it expands to about 1.5 times the original diameter. Dear students, in this part and in earlier one, we discussed about sheet metal and its application and 8 operations that are measuring and marking, layout, hand cutting and shearing, nibbling, hand forming, edge forming, bending and rifting. These 8 operations that are required to complete our job workbase, that is our rectangular box. This is our rectangular box, that is our finished product from the sheet. As earlier we discussed about measuring and marking. Measuring and marking is done on a big piece of sheet that is then cut with the help of shearing machine. Measuring and marking is done by measuring and marking tools, and then our layout is done on the blank. After layout, that is cut, and after cutting, these portions are cut with the help of cutting tool, that is straight snip. And after cutting from all sides and all dimensions, we have to check its dimensions perfectly so that our rectangular box should in perfect shape and size. After cutting and shearing, we move to hand forming, edge forming, and further bending, which is done with the help of hammers. We use mallet for bending its edges, and also we use bending machine. And in final, to fastening our rectangular box, we use rivets. This is rivets. This is Sandika rivets.
ये सारे दूसरे वेल्डिंग है.
You should clearly see rivets here, like this. This is head of rivet, and on this side it is known as tail. Now in coming lecture, dear students, we will move further to explain this our worksheet, this our work further. Thanks.